Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I have some more Samsung 20s Ultra cases to test out. Yes, I was sent them, so shout out to Ringke. I hope I'm saying that right. It's like Ringke. That's how you say it. I'm so bad at pronouncing things, so sorry if I'm not saying it properly, but that's how I think it's said, so that's how we're gonna call it throughout this video. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So your girl loves accessories. If you guys haven't seen my Amazon S20 Ultra phone cases, I did buy some accessories when I got my phone because I just bought it. I think I got it like 2 to 3 weeks ago actually, so I've had it for 2 to 3 weeks. So obviously when these guys reached out to me, I was like, yes please, I love accessories. Like, I had so many phone cases for my old phone, it was ridiculous. Like, I just love phone cases, and so when these guys reached out to me, I checked what they had on their website. They had some cool things, so I was like, yes, let's do it. Like, let's collab. Like, I'm so down. So they were nice enough to let me pick the cases, and then they also added a little extra surprise inside, so I will be unboxing everything for you. As you guys can see, I was a little excited and I opened it right away because I was just really excited to see it, but I did not open all of them, so I will have some to open on camera. They're so cute, guys. So in the package they also included a thank you card. Honestly, little thank you cards are so sweet. So this one just says, "Dear Alexandra, thank you so much for your support. Please enjoy the goodies Ringke has sent your way, including a little gift. We hope you like them as much as we do. Have a great day." Cute. So that's basically what the card said. And moving on, we're gonna go for the first case. So this is the first case. It's actually the one that I was the most excited about, and I love it. Like, I love this case, and I put it on and I've kept it on since I got it. If you did watch my Amazon S20 Ultra haul, like accessories for this phone, I did purchase a like pinkish glass one. I'll have it linked in the description for that video if you guys want to check it out. But I did purchase that one, and that was my go-to one. But then I saw this one and how like sleek it looks, and I just fell in love, and it's been on ever since. So this is actually clear, and then the sides are just black. And my main concern was the camera. As you guys can see, it's actually like higher up than the actual camera, so even if it drops, the little screen, the little square, it'll be protected. And then on this side, I don't know if you can tell also, but it does match the phone here, but then goes higher a little bit on each of the edges, just for extra protection as well, in case you do drop it face forward. So this is the case without the phone, obviously. But I really like the black little details that it had around, and then just a clear back. So that's been on my phone ever since. I absolutely love it. This is my go-to. Super good quality, and prices are very reasonable. I will have everything linked in the description or either on the screen, I'm not too sure. So prices will either be on the screen, but all the product descriptions and links will be in the description, so just open that. Next case is another one that I was really excited for. So this one is actually a camo one. I don't know if you can tell. There you go. So it actually came with a sticker that I already peeled off. So each of the phone cases come with like a sticker. I'll show you for the other ones that I haven't opened yet. But it comes with a sticker you just peel off. This one is super good quality as well. It's a very like thick material, so it is durable. And then it has like, the outside has like a texture, like a line texture. So there's like a line like texture to it, but the inside is just smooth, and then that's the design of it. I love this one because it just like hugs your phone, and like the button feels to it too. I like the little details. It has like cute little signs like plus, minus. Oh, this one you can kind of see the tilt's a little higher, where it's straight and then it just goes upwards. That's what I was talking about with the other one as well. This one like camouflages more. I feel like it'll look really nice with the gray phone because it'll be more distinct. You can see the design, but this one also looks really nice with the black. Also, this phone is huge. Like, look at my face compared to it. And then again, it has the protection for the camera, so this one is a very durable, like this one, you know your phone is like secure and safe, so I'm not afraid to drop it with this one. But I kind of wish I also had another color. Like, I wonder if they had like a green one. That would be so cute if they had this in other colors, like a cute little like whitish gray. That would be really nice too. Moving on, so we did pick a little girlier case, a pinkish case. Funny enough, it matches my nails like pretty perfect. This one is a little bit more like silicone-y, thin, if you're not into like the very like thick one. Like, this one's thick, this one is medium, and then this one is a very like thin phone case. But it is a really pretty color. I actually really like the texture of it, like silicone-y texture. And I just like how the pink and black look together. And I love this, like just the outline. Again, same thing, it has the same like straight and then upwards to it. So that is this one. Again, it is not as protective as the other two that I just mentioned. And then I also asked for it in this like bluish gray. This is the Air S Galaxy S20 Ultra Lavender Gray. And the packaging is eco packaging too, guys. So it's environmentally friendly packaging with minimal usage of Earth's resources. The best things come in a small package, and our eco-friendly packaging helps us get one step closer to a better Earth. The space-saving eco-packaging is minimal yet effective. Go ahead and feel good about yourself. You just helped our planet become just that much cleaner. Oh, that's really cute. I never read that. So this is all of their info. Also, it's made in Korea. I don't know if the phone cases are made in Korea or the packaging is made in Korea, but... So there's two ways to open it. You can open it this side. You can just unstick it, or, you know, just tear it open. And this is it. Oh my gosh, this is a pretty color. I really like this color, jeez. And then it has their logo, very subtle, which I love a subtle logo rather than like an in-your-face logo. And then also, as you can see, forgot to mention, again, camera protection, which is so important because this camera sticks out so much. It's like a periwinkle color. But that is it. Like a purpley. Next phone case we have is a Fusion Matte Galaxy S20 Ultra Clear. So these are the stickers that come with it. So there's one at the top and then one on the inside that you have to peel off. Oh wow, this one does have like kind of like a frosted background. Was not expecting that. So clear and a frosted back. It's very similar to this case. I think they're actually identical, yes, but they're both, as you can see, it's hard to bend them, so it does give it that matte look. That's how this one looks compared to the clear one. Oh my gosh, I like all of them. I think durability wise and protection wise, your best bet is going to be this one and any of these ones. But aesthetically and like cutesy and girly are obviously going to be these ones. I really like this one, which I wasn't even sure that I wanted this one. I was a little bit like iffy on it. I didn't know which color to get, but I actually like both of them. This one is very cute, but this one is also very cute. So I am really pleased with both the colors. And then lastly, they were nice enough to include a little surprise. So this was just the Ringke Galaxy Buds case, high grade TPU case in pink. Look how cute this is. So it's pink. Because, you know, with the phone, they did give you a free pair of Galaxy Buds. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I thought it was going to be white on the outside, but pink on the inside, and it's pink. It's a cute pink, though. Ooh, I like the texture of it. Just a little, like, egg shape. You have to assemble it yourself, but this is what it looks like. It's a really cute pink, actually. So, you guys, that is everything for the video. Once again, a shout out to Ringke. Thank you guys so much for sending this amazing package. I have so many cases and I'm so excited to use them, so shout out to you guys again. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!